Okay, what do we have today?
Rugged and fast are rarely used to describe the same thing, but they perfectly describe Amphenol ICC's MUSBR series USB 3.0 Type A connectors. These connectors deliver data at 5 gigabits per second while protecting against shock, vibration, and impact. They also have a conductive panel gasket that seals against the inside face of the enclosure, providing IP68 protection and improved EMI shielding. Normally, connectors that can take this kind of punishment are specialized custom connectors, but Amphenol's MUSBR series provides a standard USB 3.0 port that maintains its IP68 rating in either the mated or unmated condition. For additional protection of the mating area, dust covers and sealing boots are also available. With Amphenol's rugged USB connectors, you can now bring the benefits of USB 3.0, including its standard interface, to various applications such as medical devices, automotive applications, communication and consumer devices, and industrial applications.